Hi everyone. Good day, good day. Okay. Today I felt really tired. Didn't want to do anything. Literally just wanted to be very lazy. And I suddenly thought I need to do some exercise. So I thought I'd show you what I did to jumpstart my day. And all it is to do with your hands, because my hands keep going numb since I've been pregnant and I'm starting my third trimester. So all I did was like wave my hands like that, right? Just get the blood circulating, go out, shake it round, and what I found was I was feeling a lot more energetic. So if you ever have a day where you feel, can you see what I'm doing? If you ever have a day where you feel a little bit, I can't bother moving, that's what you do. Give us a shaky, and that's how I got my day started. So have a good one. Gonna start my day now.